Hello traders, we're going to be looking at the price of Euro JPY. That's EUR JPY. So we can see from our higher time frame on a higher time frame of daily time frame how the setup has been. You can see impulse of the market coming in after several this thing. Okay, so we can see that the market has actually formed a support level around this region, and the level has been holding, and that's for day daily candle chart. So when it gets to this level is a resistance, and the resistance is higher time frame of even weekly time frame. So we can see that means we have a resistance at 185.38, and that's like the major resistance is the resistance because it's on a daily time frame. So if we go to a lower time frame, it will give us what we'll be able to see whether this place is going to be double top and it will push the market down, or we see how the market is going to observe. So let's move down quickly to a 4 hour time frame. So on 4 hour time frame, you can see the behavior of the candlestick on this particular level of 185.387. So this particular level is actually allowing the candlestick to respect itself, to respect the level. So we can see how the candlestick respect the level here, and we can see how it's getting so many um uh so many resistant candle or reversal candle at this particular level. So in this region we can actually see the market will eventually have a resistance at this level. So if market have a resistance at that level, we will see a push of the price back to this level of 184.703, or if we can see more pressure, sell pressure can come in and the market can get to this level. So it's a very rather than see the market going up. So if we see a break of the market above 185.38, we can see a continuation, but because of this level is actually acting as a resistance level, we will more look at a setup. So we just need a confirmation of a sell setup confirmation, because this place has already formed a stronger resistance level. So imagine a strong resistance level, it will be a double top and the price can just flow like that. So let's look at it on even on lower time frame if we can get an entry. So if you observe the kind of candlestick forming on this lower time frame, you can see that those candlesticks are reversal candle, but they are pushing in, and as they get to this level they are making a reversal pattern. So a break of this will also signal that yes, the sell pressure or sell supply has come in. If we see it down, we can know that the price can push down. So it's a good risk to reward ratio if we see a setup. So what kind of setup do we want to see here? We want to see a bearish candle closing in between this line, then opening also below 184.94. That will give us a critical confirmation that the market is actually so if you see a bearish actually becoming bearish. So if you see a bearish candle like this, then we'll see another bearish candle. It will give us a strong edge that the market can just push in after those bearish candles. So we want to see the setup, because the setup will enable a confirmation that we have a sell setup. For now, we don't have a sell setup and the market has not break above 185. So to get a clinical entry, we have to have patience and wait. So we have given the signals for those who actually bought when the market was actually below 184.2838. So more entries will come in as we observe this.